and gents, I believe you can do far much better than that. Now, this is what happens when our learners are seen, when learners are heard, and when learners are supported. We believe in Motheo Education District that there's nothing wrong with our learners. All they need is our support, each and every one of them. Now, ladies and gents, for the State of the District Address, I want to call the man of the hour, Ntataruna, Mongaruna, Likhulukwe, Emahanyani, Sekabatata, Likhulukwe, Mr. Everett. At one point, MEC Bakileba meets a Superman. Ladies and gents, I give you Ntate December Silimo Moloi.
We've also want to
Dumelang, Sani Bonan, good morning. In the interest of time, let me not go to the other languages. Program Director, thank you very much for this opportunity. We're excited as Team Motheo to be hosting this celebration. But before I start passing on the ball, it is because of your resilient, supportive, and responsive leadership. Thank you very much, MEC, for who you are and what you are to us. My executive mayor, our executive mayor. Hey, you could hear, he's learned, he's learned, very articulate, very informed in space, and to us as Motheo Education District. MEC, I always, when I want to, when arguments, when facts are failing me, and then I pull out a bragging rights and say, I'm the only district director with a father in Tadisi, and then in Mangaung Metro, with a mother in Manzopa Metro. Thank you very much for your leadership. You have molded us to be